Today we started with a 4,000 PSI mix. We added approximately 5 pounds of REGEN Fiber per cubic yard of concrete produced. So we've got approximately 5 trucks, a little over 10 yards per truck. It's a 50-yard pour, and we're pumping this mixture into some formwork. It's a bridge pier cap. We've got a lot of heavy rebar in that formwork, and this mixture is designed so that that concrete can flow in the bars, in those forms, and produce an incredibly strong pier cap for the railroad bridge to sit on.